how to delete photos from Google Photos but not from your device. If you want to delete the photos from Google Photos, because Google Photos sometimes acts like a gallery application as well, and you don't know which of the photos are backed up, which is on your Google Photos versus which is one on the native Photos application on your device. Now, on the Google Photos app itself, there are two indications to this. If a photo is backed up to Google Photos, you will see this cloud-like icon next to the bottom of each of these photos. Versus if a photo isn't backed up, you will not see any of those icons. In this case over here, as you can see, there aren't any type of icons like that. Now, it is safe for you to delete the photos with those icons, but just to be even safer, I will recommend you an alternative. That is that you open your browser and you simply go to photos.google.com. Because we're accessing the web version of photos.google.com, obviously it is only going to show you the photos that have been backed up to your Google Photos. Now, if you want, you can also go ahead and change your respective Google account here, and once you change your Google account, you'll only see a list of photos and videos that has been backed up to your Google account, and now it is completely safe for you to delete them. This way you can delete Google Photos without deleting from your device. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.